some ways that you keep yourself focused on being confident and positive?
Well, I do listen to podcasts like the Dale Carnegie podcast, and I feel like I gain a lot of positivity from positive leaders. And so if I'm listening to maybe how they've combated a certain situation, then it kind of makes me feel like I'm not alone and that I am going through something that a lot of people have gone through as well. And so listening to positive affirmations from podcasts or just listening to anything that is motivational, uplifting, whether that's a YouTube video or journaling, like I said, it just really does help me stay grounded and to stay in a positive mindset because it is difficult.
It is, right? I mean, it seems like it's a constant challenge. We've got things that we face all the time, every single day, and the ability to stay positive is really a gift for ourselves.
It's a choice you have to make every day.
It is. And I think sometimes people believe that it's not, that it's just easy. It